but let me be honest with you all. Whatever I wanted to say, he said it all. But again, there are a few words I want to share with you. Ladies and gentlemen, may I, first of all, on behalf of Balochistan Action Committee UK and on behalf of Baloch Community UK, pay our heartiest respect and tributes to the daughter of Sindh, Muhtarma Benazir Bhutto, who was also known as daughter of East, for her courageous work to promote democracy and reconciliation in the terrorist-infected country, Pakistan. On behalf of Baloch community, we also offer our condolences and sympathies to her close and immediate family, to the people of Sindh, and of course to the member of World Sindhi Congress. Muhtarma Benazir Bhutto's death took place in Liaquat Bagh, the Garden of Death, where first PM Liaquat Ali Khan was killed in 1951. Prime Minister Zulfikar Ali Bhutto was hanged only a few kilometers away. As you all know, Rawalpindi town is a garrison where every millimeter is controlled by the security complex. The town is home to the headquarters of the military powerhouse and fearsome ISI. And also for Musharraf, General Musharraf, on the contrary, is the safest town, as he preferred to spend the night in Rawalpindi, where he finished his work in Islamabad.